drive this, bro?
Hell yeah, I can drive the track, huh?
Hell yeah, you can.
Yeah. Look at that. Hit it.
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm seeing one in person.
You smell it?
Yeah. Man, that thing stinks.
What is that?
Smells like a deer.
Does?
Dude hunting.
Yeah, he was hunting.
Oh yeah, smelling. Damn, if you go there. Ooh.
4 to 6 days later.
Ooh, got that ceramic coat on this joker. God. Booty fade looking young.
That is clear.
I didn't even see my baby out here. Hey baby. I love you.
Yeah, you were right. You told
Well.
me no Jeep logo.
Oh, damn.
So,
Like a new car up in here. Smells good, boy.
Because when we're taking the hairs off, it's deer hair. And it had blood stains all over. Oh my God, the suction thing, the water was black, bro.
Yeah.
Your truck,
start that thing up, man.
here you go. Ready? That's how we go, baby.
Fire. That's shooting fire, man. Yeah.
You like that? Again?
Do it again.
Well,
He had to get it shampooed in there.
We also ceramic coated the dash. We also leather conditioned everything. So you see all these cracks that are happening? It's gonna be less now. So it's all done. It's all conditioned. Every part of your leather, your door panels, everything's done.
You can't have too much fun no
Yeah,
more.
we already know that after everybody
Not
on you
till
guys.
we beat these tickets.
So, you wanna drive this, bro?
Hell yeah, I can drive the track, huh?
Hell yeah, you
Hell
can.
yeah, let's go, man. Do a little quick ride. I don't want to get us in no trouble or nothing. You know, we've been getting in a lot of trouble.
Please, bro.
Uh-oh, it's sporty. It's sporty. Oh, it's sporty. Look at that. Hit it.
He tuned it though.
Oh, he did
Yeah,
tune it.
yeah,
said
he tuned it a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, he said he tuned it too. I didn't know that.